Bali, a budget paradise. Bali is a good year-round destination. It is busiest during this time and prices are the highest. Book hotels month in advance. The quietest months on the island and when you will find the cheapest rates on hotels. The best time for deals and discounts on hotels is February to early June and late September to early December when there are fewer tourists on the island. Here are some of the hostels for backpackers. Best cheap hotels in Bali. Best hotels in Bali for families. Best luxury hotels in Bali. You can use the chart below to get some idea of how much you need to budget daily depending on your travel style. Taxis are cheap. The starting rate is around $0.50 and then $0.30 per kilometer. Bluebird taxis are available in most places with meter and English speaking drivers. Check out the description for the smartphone app link. Short journeys can cost around $1 while longer journeys shouldn't cost more than $2. Gojek and Grab apps are used for motorbike ride shares. If you want to rent a motorbike yourself, a rental will cost about $4.30 a day. Demos are usually a mini bus or a van that carries around 12 people, but they are not widely used by visitors, yet they are cheap and most rides are around $0.35. Getting to and from island is easy via speedboat. Here are the traditional dishes to try in Bali if you want to experience the essence of the island on your plate. Best place in Bali for couples or a honeymoon. Best place for sightseeing and outdoor activities. Best place for good food and restaurants. Best place for families. Stay far away from the Western restaurants if you want to save money and experience the local cuisine. Nothing is ever at face value in Indonesia. Bargain hard and bargain often. The southern area of Bali like Kuta, Ubud, Seminyak is the most popular and most expensive parts of the island. Head to the beaches in the northeast part of Bali. You will find that prices are about half the cost. Save money on alcohol by hitting the happy hours. Bring a water bottle like Life Straw and Grail to save money and the environment. Bali is a kind of place where you could spend a month in and not get bored of. So start planning now. Have an amazing time in Bali.